Does uninstalling a package with pip also remove the dependent packages? When you use pip to install a package, all the required packages will also be installed with its dependencies. Does uninstalling that package also remove the dependent packages?
You can install and use the pip auto remove utility to remove a package plus unused dependencies.
Fig leaf equals 0.6.1 nose equals 1.1.2 Pinocchio equals 0.3. As you can see, those packages are dependencies from SpecCloud and they're still there, but not the SpecCloud package itself. As mentioned below, you can install and use the pip auto remove utility to remove a package plus unused dependencies.
I've successfully removed dependencies of a package using this bash line. This worked on pip 1.5.4.
I have found the solution, even though it might be a little difficult for some to carry out. First step, for Python 3 and Linux. Second step. Third step. And change all pips to pip 3. Fourth step. At least, this was what worked for me.
You may have a try for this URL. It will remove package with its all dependencies.
Слышимо.